In this straightforward video tutorial, I will demonstrate an efficient method to simultaneously clear your entire Instagram search history. Clearing your search history on Instagram contributes to maintaining privacy by eliminating potentially sensitive or personal information. To achieve this, first open your Instagram profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines. On this page, locate and select Activity. Scroll down to the section labeled How You Use Instagram and select Recent Searches. On this page, you will find a list of all your recent searches. You can clear one by one or you can clear all of them simultaneously. Simply tap on Clear All. All your searches will be successfully deleted. This demonstrates the ease with which you can delete your entire search history on Instagram.